Assalamualaikum everyone, hopefully all of you are doing great. Today I'm going to show you Bangladesh banking landscape dashboard. What if you could analyze the entire banking network of Bangladesh in just one dashboard? Let me show you how. Using Microsoft Power BI, I transformed thousands of banking records into an interactive dashboard covering all 61 banks, over 11,000 branches, 8 divisions, 64 districts and 595 Thanas. With a single click, you can compare branch distribution across divisions, identify top 10 banks by branch count, and discover which Thanas have the highest branch concentrations. I analyzed the market share of the leading banks to quickly identify the top performers. I also built this interactive Geo Map, which lets me explore branch covers across every division of Bangladesh, from Dhaka to Chattogram and beyond, with just a few clicks. For deeper insights, I added a decomposition tree. It allows me to drill down from division to district and then to Thana, revealing branch concentration and hidden patterns in just a few clicks. This makes exploring complex data simple and interactive. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. See you later. Allah Hafiz.